How does decreasing the concentration of the reactant affect the rate of chemical reaction? So, decreasing the concentration of all the reactant will almost or always decrease the rate of the reaction. Decreasing the concentration of all the reactant is not involved or allowed in the rate of determining the step will or nor change the reactant rate. So here's the example of concentration effect. In the right side of the picture, it shows that mixing sucrose with a dilute sulfuric acid in a beaker produces a simple solution, while mixing the same amount of sucrose with a concentrated sulfuric acid, you can see it at the left picture, results in a dramatic reaction. So that eventually produces a column of a black focus of a graphite and an intense smell of a burning sugar. How does concentration of reactant affect the rate of reaction? As you can see, increasing the concentration increases the molecules' collision frequency. On the other hand, increasing the concentration of the reactant increases the rate of the reaction. So, moving on, we're going to now present to you catalyst. So what is catalyst? Catalyst is the presence of a substance that participates in a chemical reaction and increases the reaction rate without any undergoing of a net chemical change itself. It's also a substance that speeds up reaction without being used up in a reaction themselves. Presence of catalyst. It is a substance that increases the rate of chemical reaction. By adding this substance, it will speed up the chemical reaction without being consumed in any given reaction. This process is catalyst. So in biology, lactase is an enzyme that breaks the lactose into a small sugar unit of a specific example of catalysis. And this can be divided into two. One is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. So in homogeneous reactants are in the same phase of instant liquid catalyst is an liquid system, and gas catalyst is a gaseous system. While in heterogeneous reactants, the reacts are in different phases. Example, manganese dioxide is a solid used to speed up the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, which is a liquid. So, these both are homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Created using Powtoon.